Hey guys, welcome back to FLA Labs. 4th of July is just around the corner, so I decided that I was going to make a 3D printed necktie. Here's how I did it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is head over to Thingiverse and find this post. It's called Patriotic Necktie, or if you want to search for it, I'll put the URL in the description. Once you found the post, you're going to need to download all of these thing files. So what I have here are the different segments of the tie, as well as a spacer that I recommend you use for even spacing between the segments of your tie. Now that you've downloaded your parts, the next step will be sending them over to your slicer so that you can turn those STLs into the G-code that you'll send to your printer. So I'm going to open up my slicer, and first I want to open the part that's called bottom red. As you can see, this is the bottom piece of the tie. So I want to print this as a print-in-place articulated print using a fabric material. So what I need to do is use the extensions built into my slicer, post-processing, and modify the G-code. What I'm going to do is add a script that will pause the print at a certain height, in this case 4 millimeters, and then it will actually park the print head out of the way so that I can then put down my mesh material on that 3D printed part and then resume the print. Now that you know how to add the script to pause the G-code, you're going to have to do that for each segment of the tie, and then you're actually going to have to pause twice for the blue sections of the tie, because you first want to pause to embed your screen material, and then you want to pause to change from blue filament to white filament so that your stars are in a different color. Alright, we're coming along. Now we got this little spacer that we're using to keep them consistent. We are officially way too big for the print bed. We seem to have run into a problem. When I paused to switch to my white filament, something went wrong. Now we're printing in the air. As I mentioned earlier, something bad happened when I tried to switch from my blue filament to my white for printing the stars. So now you get to watch this cool montage of me gluing the stars on. Enjoy. So here it is, the finished Patriotic 3D printed articulating tie. I think it turned out great. I'm really happy with it. I have one problem. Sometimes I think things are cool that really aren't. And I don't have any friends to ask if I'm right. But I have an idea.